Center for Welding and Automation aligns directly with the school's mission.
We're talking about a hub for advanced manufacturing. We're talking about a hub for students to learn.
It is a big investment for the upstate workforce economy. We wanted to make sure that it was meeting business and industry needs and making sure that everything that we're doing aligns up to meet their needs.
Hands-on training in welding is everything. It helps them build the technical skill and helps them get ready for the workforce.
They'll be able to go into industry right after graduation and start working with little to no training.
It's going to allow individuals within this community to work towards a career, and it's going to allow us to offer advanced technology that no other facility is offering at this time in this region.
The new campus is going to expand what we can learn. It'll give them more of a challenge with what we're able to do with that facility compared to the one that we have now.
That's the exciting thing about this building. It's not just welding. They'll also learn NDT, they'll learn robotic welding. So it's a hub for a lot of different things, not just welding.
I'm excited about this facility because we're going to be able to take in more students. We should be able to double our enrollment, and I'm pretty excited for that.
I'm a graduate of Greenville Tech, and I graduated from the welding program. So it's just truly amazing just to see this facility come to fruition. If I had to describe it in one word, it would be transformational.
Exciting.
Innovative.
Opportunity, and it's an opportunity for students to build careers and for the community to grow.